So let us see how we can work around with a text element inside of Power Pages. So for that, let me just go ahead and add in a section first, and let me add a one column section right here. And over here, you can see that text is an option. Let me just go ahead and click right here. Then you can simply go ahead and add in a text. Let's say, for example, I can simply go ahead and type in something like this is a sample paragraph right here. And let me just go ahead and copy and paste them out right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and copy this and then press enter to paste them out as well. So this is how you can simply add a text, and you can select them out right here. And then you can go ahead and bold it. Let's say, for example, you can go ahead and select it and bold it right here, just like this as well. And you can go ahead and select it and italicize it right here. You can go ahead and select it and underline it out as well. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and use brand colors for this particular text right here. And now if I were to go around over here, this is what you have. And then what you have right here is the alignment. Right now this is left align, so I can go ahead and center align it, as you can see right here, or I can go ahead and right align it out as well. And this is what you have. And right now this is in paragraph mode, as you can see. So let's say I can go ahead and add in another one column section. Let's just go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, I'm going to say something over here like paragraph sample right here. I can go ahead and turn this into a heading right here, just like this, as you can see over here as well. So this is what you have right here, just like this, and you can go ahead right here and change it out according to how you want as well. And that is how you can go ahead and add in text inside of Microsoft Power Pages as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.